guys, I'm Jeff Brandis with Frio Ice Chest, and this is a 25 quart roto hard side. As you see here, easy to operate latches, stainless steel, rust resistant. Easy to operate, one finger. Cooler opens up nice and easy, nice good seal. Opens very large, 25 quarts, full 25 quarts. Snaps down sealable. Also comes with a comfortable padded. Look at the padding here, super nice padding. Hand stitched padding. This strap is made here in Texas, made in the USA strap. Fits great on your shoulder, very comfortable. Comfortable walking with the cooler. Nice feet on the bottom, little padded non-slip feet. Got your multiple sides, got a little tie down here. All sides here. We also have it, as you see, in white. And this is our tan cooler. This is a tan version with the tan strap. Again, padded, easy to use strap. Nice stainless steel latches. Tan all the way around. Then we also have great decoration capabilities and on this cooler. You see the front panel, both side panels. We can do anything you want on there, full color. 3M laminated vinyl is beautiful on the cooler. Now you can see here we have a big top surface right here. Perfect for your logo, your design, or any theme design such as this. We have plenty of theme designs on our site, and we can customize one piece minimum, anything you like. So that's the 25 quart collection. Hope you enjoy.